Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm trying out this EYEKO Spotlight Highlighter Pencil that I have here in the shade Pearl that I got in my December 2021 Lookfantastic beauty box, which if you have not seen that unboxing video yet, that is up on my YouTube channel. And that was my first ever Lookfantastic beauty box and I'm really excited about it. I like the brand EYEKO and I am really excited to try out this highlighter pencil because it sounds very easy to use for the areas that I tend to highlight the most, like the brow, the inner corner. Maybe this can even work as like an eyeliner, maybe a face highlight. We're gonna try it all out today. So this retails for $18. And it's the type of pencil that you have to sharpen with a large sharpener. But I'm going to start out with a swatch here. It's definitely a little chunky, but it seems like a nice shade that definitely shows up bright for a highlighter, but it just doesn't look super smooth and it doesn't really glide on that well. And it does blend out. Okay, we'll see how it looks when I apply it onto my face. So first, I'll go ahead and do a brow highlight. Let's see how this looks. Yeah, like it's so chunky and kind of textured that I can't just draw it on and leave it. I definitely need to like go over with my finger a bit and smooth that over. And when I do that, it looks okay, but it loses some of the brightness, you know? So not my favorite. Let's see. It's interesting, like it doesn't have shimmer sparkle to it, and I feel like it needs it. It almost has this kind of matte, dry texture to it, which is not what I want. All right, let's see about the inner corner. I feel like you can't mess that up. Oh, but it doesn't look great. Even in this small little section, I still feel like it looks, ooh, it looks so chunky. And like, you don't want to look like you have like white, you know, remnants on the inner corner here. And I feel like that's what it looks like. So, oh my gosh, I really thought this could at least work for that inner corner. But it's not. Oh. Kind of would just want to even out the eyes here, even though it's barely showing up. But it's like, you have to use your finger to blend this pencil out, and I was hoping the whole point of this pencil form would be to make it easier and faster to apply, but it's really just slowing me down. I'm gonna try it, maybe as an eyeliner? As soon as I started applying it to my eye, I was like, wait, I might regret this, because I just don't want it to look like, you know, like powder or just not look good, look like dry skin or anything like that. And that's kind of like my best way to describe the texture. It's like I see it on my face and I just want to remove it. I want to moisturize it, I want to rub it away, and this is just this is not working for me. I am even about to try it on my cheek here. Let's see. It really is such an interesting, not in a good way, formula. Like so dry and matte. It blends a little bit, but it still looks so textured, like creating dry skin. And that sounds terrible, right? So I am just unfortunately not finding a use for this. but not every product that I get is gonna be amazing and is gonna work for me. And most of the products I get, I am able to find some sort of use for, but I mean, I guess it looks the best on the cheeks here. I really had to blend it out, but it is giving some reflection to the face. But all in all, I think I need to declare this as a failure for me. Really surprised and bummed, but at least I did get this in the subscription box. I didn't spend the $18 on it. So if you're watching this video to consider purchasing it, I would say find something better. If you've tried this though, I would love to hear your thoughts on it in the comments down below. I wonder if I'm the only one struggling with this. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.